vocally.
Yeah.
Vocabulary, valuably valiant for victims victimized by official vermin. This ain't vaudeville sermon. This is vicious vindication. High volume voice. I want to devise a virus to open up your third iris. Virtual villains vilify me like Viking. My grapevine is vintage. Zilla Villa Viewpoint VIP. Vignette Van Glorious. Appeal to the brothers on the bill. To Vietnamese vegans. I'm vexed. Revolution ain't on VHS. Melanin vibrate like the vibrator of an obese virgin. I need ear like Van Gogh. Go to Rome and beer Volkswagen vehicle in Vatican. The banquet vice admiral, vice chancellor, vice regal, visiting vice president, and any other vice squad motherfucking vicinity for trying to put B-tip in varicose vein. Bass vernacular, slippery as Vaseline on my penis. Thinking about Serena and Venus, vacationing in VA, parked with valet, but no vacancy. That's black life. Got a home, but neighbors label me vile, vagrant, vagabond, but white supremacy don't validate my valuation. Cats I know get value from getting vacuum from a vanilla Victorian Valentine named Vicky from Vallejo Valley. See, I never been dango with slave master Vixen. Call me Black Vagina Finder on Varsity. Black Arts Movement Vanguard like Nappy Tongue. Praise the Lord like Reverend Run. I took off my veil after reading Van Sertima verbatim. Venomous vengeance is mine.